Prince Harry has settled his remaining phone hacking case with the Mirror Group newspapers. His lawyers announced the settlement to a London court on Friday, revealing that the British tabloid will pay the royal at least £400,000, or roughly $505,000 in legal fees and damages, according to the New York Times. The settlement comes 2 months after a London judge found the publisher guilty of, quote, widespread and habitually hacking the prince's phone. After leaving the courtroom on Friday, Harry's lawyer, David Sherborne, read a statement on his behalf.
After our victory in December, Mirror Group have finally conceded the rest of my claim, which would have consisted of another 2 trials, additional evidence, and 115 more articles. Everything we said was happening at Mirror Group was in fact happening, and indeed far worse, as the court ruled in its extremely damaging judgment. As the judge has said only this morning, we have uncovered and proved the shockingly dishonest way in which the Mirror acted for so many years and then sought to conceal the truth.
In the statement, the Duke of Sussex calls for British authorities to, quote, uphold the rule of the law and to prove that no one is above it. And in the fiery statement, he also calls out Piers Morgan, who was editor of the Mirror Group between 1995 and 2004.
That includes Mr. Morgan, who as editor knew perfectly well what was going on, as the judge held. Even his own employer realised it simply could not call him as a witness of truth at the trial. His contempt for the court's ruling and his continued attacks ever since demonstrate why it was so important to obtain a clear and detailed judgment. As I said back in December, our mission continues. I believe in the positive change it will bring for all of us. It's the very reason why I started this and why I will continue to see it through to the end.
Piers spoke to reporters outside his home on Friday and directly responded to Harry's statement, calling him out for allegedly, quote, invading the privacy of the royal family.
What do I think? I think that invading the privacy of the royal family is utterly reprehensible. And on that, I share Prince Harry's opinion. I just wish he'd stop doing it.
What about you? Do you wish you hadn't done it?
Mirror Group also released a statement telling New York Times, quote, we are pleased to have reached this agreement, which gives our business further clarity to move forward from events that took place many years ago and for which we have apologized. Prince Harry filed his phone hacking lawsuit against the Mirror Group in 2019. In December, the court awarded Harry $180,000 after finding that he had been a victim of phone hacking. The ruling was based on 15 articles that were published by the Mirror Group. Friday's settlement pertains to an additional 115 articles that were published and showed evidence of unlawful conduct. Prince Harry is still involved in several other privacy lawsuits against tabloid publishers.